BMW's iDrive system serves as the central interface for navigation, media, climate control, and vehicle settings in BMW vehicles. Common issues like frozen screens or unresponsive controls often require a reset to restore functionality. There are three main types of resets: soft reboot for minor glitches, hard reset to force shutdown and reset hardware, and factory reset to restore the system to original state while erasing all data. For frozen screens, a soft reboot is usually sufficient. Glitches typically stem from software overload or corrupted cache, and resetting clears the RAM while reinitializing the system. As of 2025, over-the-air updates handle most resets automatically, reducing manual intervention. Always park safely before performing any reset. First, understand the types of resets available for BMW iDrive. Soft reboots are quick restarts through the menu or app. Hard resets involve holding buttons for 20 to 30 seconds, and factory resets completely wipe the system and should only be used as a last resort. For newer models with iDrive 7.0 and later, perform a soft reboot by going to Settings, then System, Power, and selecting Restart. You can also use the BMW Connected Drive app for a remote reboot. For a hard reset, hold the power button for 20 to 30 seconds until the system restarts. Use the physical controls for resets. With the controller, press Menu to access Settings and navigate to System. On the steering wheel, use the volume or power buttons. Hold the buttons firmly for 20 to 30 seconds until the screen turns off and then back on. For a factory reset as a last resort, go to Settings, System, and select Factory Reset. Always back up your data first, including profiles and favorites. In electric models like the iX, check for any impact on the battery management system. For older models, you may need diagnostic tools or manual methods instead. As of mid-2025, many iDrive issues are resolved through BMW's over-the-air updates, making physical resets less common. Always check for available updates first before performing manual resets.